Welcome to the Mediceuticals Practical Guide to Treating Various Scalp Conditions. We will show you a step-by-step video on how to use the Mediceuticals Scalp Therapies range to treat psoriasis. Always make your client feel at home and comfortable. Clients with scalp conditions are usually very conscious and shy. When you approach your client, you must do it in a very professional manner. Explain to the client what the treatment procedure will be. They must feel comfortable and relaxed. Ask your client questions as to what the problem is she is experiencing on her scalp. For example, how long have you had this condition? Are there moments when the condition gets worse? Have you seen your doctor about your scalp condition? If yes, what diagnosis did they give you? Were you given any medication? Did it work? Listen to the client and take note as to what they are saying. We will now do a scalp analysis consultation by using the Mediscope. By doing this, it helps to give a close-up diagnosis by looking at the scalp with the microscope. The image that you will see is 200 times enlarged. When the client sees this image, it will give her a better understanding of her scalp condition and how we will treat the condition and bring it under control. The following images show you what psoriasis looks like. Extreme buildup of dead skin cells on the scalp. Psoriasis is a common skin condition that speeds up the life cycle of skin cells. The extra skin cells form scales and red patches that are itchy and sometimes painful. Our goal today is to remove this extreme buildup of dead skin cells by doing a Mediceuticals scalp therapy treatment specifically for psoriasis. We will be using 3 different products for our treatment today. Step 1. The first product is called TheraRx, our pre-treatment. Slightly tilt the client's head backwards, apply TheraRx with the applicator to the affected scalp area. Use fingertips to distribute. It is important to apply the product on a dry scalp or skin, and there should be no water added. Leave on for 1 to 2 minutes, do not rinse. TheraRx, a purifying treatment for skin and scalp. It helps to loosen the buildup of dead skin cells. TheraRx helps control inflammation on the scalp with a combination of soothing ingredients. It also helps kill harmful bacteria that causes itchiness on the scalp. It will not dry the skin because TheraRx contains special moisturizing complex that helps to balance the moisture. Ingredients used in TheraRx work deep within the hair follicle, helping to remove excessive oil buildup and controls oil production on the scalp and skin. TheraRx is also suitable for redness on the scalp, acne, insect bites, and sunburn. Step 2. We will now shampoo the client's hair and scalp. Use 1 pump or more if you are treating longer hair of X-Folate shampoo. Distribute product in your hands and make sure you cover the entire scalp. Work the product into the hair and scalp. Do not add water. Cover the client's hair with a plastic cap and place her under a warm hooded dryer for 3 to 5 minutes. The active ingredients need to stay on the scalp for a few minutes to get the best result. X-Folate, a cleanser for various scalp problems like psoriasis. It will loosen and remove the buildup of dead skin cells. X-Folate is used as a cleanser to soothe sensitive, red, irritated skin conditions. That is why it is so effective when used with scalp conditions like dandruff, psoriasis, and eczema. X-Folate helps control inflammation on the scalp because it contains several soothing properties. Ingredients used in X-Folate work deep in the skin and within the hair follicle, helping to remove excessive cell buildup. Climazole is a high-performance ingredient that has antimicrobial activity, which helps control flakiness on the scalp and removes any fungal odor. X-Folate contains a special combination of ingredients known as color retention complex. This makes it safe to use on color-treated hair. X-Folate is also suitable for inflamed and irritated scalp. Remove the plastic cap and apply water to the hair and scalp. Start shampooing the hair and scalp with firm movements, but do not overstimulate. We use the firm movement because this helps loosen and remove the buildup on the scalp. Rinse well. Follow with a second shampoo using the same firm movement. Rinse the hair and scalp very well. Use a towel to remove excess water from the hair and scalp. Step 3. Our third product is Therapeutic Treatment Rinse. Apply 1 pump or more if you are treating longer hair and distribute the product well in your hands so that you can apply the product to the entire scalp and hair. Work it into the scalp. Do not massage. Leave the Therapeutic on the scalp for 3 minutes. Therapeutic, a soothing conditioning rinse for scalp and hair. Therapeutic is a pH balancing rinse that must be applied after any of the scalp therapy cleansers have been used. Scalp therapy shampoos are very effective cleansers and work deep in the skin and the hair follicles. Normal scalp oil or sebum has a pH balance of between 4.5 and 5.5. This acidity prevents fungi and bacteria growing on the scalp. Therapeutic has a pH of 4, so it will help balance and protect the scalp. Therapeutic contains several healing and soothing properties to help control all scalp conditions. This rinse gently conditions and detangles hair. It is an oil lipid-free weightless formula, so it won't weigh the hair down. Suitable for itchy, sensitive, dry, or tight scalp. Rinse well after the Therapeutic has been on the scalp for 3 minutes. Towel dry the hair. The scalp will now feel refreshed and soothed. Style your client's hair as usual. After the client's hair is dry and styled, we can use the Mediceuticals once again to show your client the results of the scalp therapy treatment. As you can see, the scalp is free of dead cell buildup and will be able to function normally again. Finish off the hairstyle by using the appropriate Mediceuticals styling products. Remember, for the client to maintain this clean, healthy scalp, she must use the appropriate products at home. Mediceuticals have a convenient kit available with all 3 products that are required. Make sure you explain to your client how to use each product for a successful Mediceuticals experience.